Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings. Firstly, go to Settings and tap on Sound. Right here we've got many options. For example, we can turn phone in silent mode, adjust our ringtone volume, as well as notification volume, media volume and alarm volume. We can turn on headset mode and set our do not disturb preferences. We can change ringtone for each card SIMs, notification ringtone and alarm ringtone. Also, we've got some switchers for dial pad tones, screen locking sounds, touch sounds and vibration on touch. And the last is emergency alerts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.